Kia ora. Fractional indices. By definition, the square root of 7 times the square root of 7 is equal to 7. You can test that on your calculator. But we also know that 7 to the power of a half times 7 to the power of a half is equal to 7. Check it on your calculator. So from that, what we can say is that 7 to the power of a half is the same as the square root of 7. Here's another example. By definition, the cube root of 5 times the cube root of 5 times the cube root of 5 equals 5. Check it on your calculator. But we also know 5 to the power of a third times 5 to the power of a third times 5 to the power of a third is equal to 5. Again, check it on your calculator. So from this, we can say that 5 to the power of a third is equal to 5 root 3. So in general, we've got x to the power of 1 over b is equal to x root b. If we move on here in this example, we've got the square root of 7 cubed. Well, we know that's the same as 7 to the power of a half, all cubed. We've already learnt that if we have a power of a power, we multiply the numbers together. So that means a half times a third. We're going to have 7 to the power of 3 over 2. Next example, if we have the fourth root of 3, all to the power of 5, then this is the same as 3 to the power of a quarter in index form, all to the power of 5, power of a power, so you multiply the little numbers, and then that would give us 3 to the power of 5 over 4. So in general, we have x to the power of a over b is equal to x to the power of a root b. Another way to write that would be in this bracketed term here, where you're saying it's x root b all to the power of a. That order actually wouldn't matter. Breaking this down, here's our formula. A way to be able to remember it is that the power is up high, and that's because power lines are always up high. That's different to the roots, which are always down low, like tree roots of a tree. So that's a useful way to be able to remember where they go. All right, what I want you to do is to try some of these questions yourself. So it's on page 277, exercise 18.04. I'm saying every question, and I've put there A and C only, but if you could do every second letter, that would also be good, but perhaps start off doing that. All right, good luck.